We are here to introduce our project called Edulink. Education is essential in shaping an individual's character and further. The right of education is a fundamental right of every citizen of India regardless the region, caste, creed and economic condition. However, many are data suggested that the availability of high school remained low in rural areas. The exchange program in coordination with schools in nearby places selected students and teachers. Graduates selected from remote area are brought to nearby school and mentored extensively. This can help twice a year during this session. Students will be able to use every resource of the better functioning school like high and technology, laboratory facilities and library with the support of facilities and staff from the better functioning school. Students are required to download and save all resources they use. At the end of each sessions, all resources are copied to a hard disk and given to the students. These students and teachers can lead the education in their village by using the resource they researched, download and used. This ensured that at least some of the resources that are not available for the students from rural areas are made available for them. We have designed a website of for students to apply for the student exchange program. The website provides information about the program, criteria for sections, FAQ and an application form. The applicants, after going through each application, the website allows the authorized to publish the result and detailed criteria rejection and notify the applicants about the same. The next phase of project, we will want to automate some parts of the progress like shortlisted of candidates based on some criteria.